thinking back of the inaugural event, so you can frame that. All right, who's ready to cha-cha? Please welcome Dr. Jorge Santana, a chiropractor with Lutz. He is heating up the stage with Charlene Ierna with Their instructor is with Rhapsody Ballroom. Dr. Jorge, was it a big adjustment to becoming a dancer? All right. Richard and Lori, what did you think?
I saw you shaking the booty in the towards the end. What was that all about? Oh, okay, all right. Well, I know for a fact that you guys got a late start, and they had about half the time to put this together that a lot of the other dancers did, and I think they did an outstanding job. You guys pulled it off tonight. We thank you.
Well, Charlene, I know that you're in air conditioning, but that's hard to believe because the temperature just went up a few degrees. And I wanted to say also that I really enjoyed your lift and your drops, and I know that takes a lot of confidence in your partner, and so you really did her proud by not dropping her. And as Richard said, that's especially admirable in this short amount of time, so congratulations, guys.